Hi, I'm Joey. As springtime continues and signs of life start to poke through the once frosted over grounds, we here at GLSS TV thought, what better a time than now to make some spring rolls.
Get off the stage!
Spring. Get what I did there? Never mind. Today, we're gonna try our hands at Vietnamese fresh style spring rolls. Contrary to what the name suggests, these rolls were likely first made in China, using whatever vegetables were in season at the time. The rolls many of us think of as staples of Vietnamese cuisine have evolved to feature many signature flavors of Vietnamese cooking. Like some of you maybe, I'm a total novice when it comes to making spring rolls. If, like me, you stumble at first trying to wrap them, don't give up. Here's our take on this delicious snack. The ingredients you'll need are spring roll rice paper, 1 pressed and drained block of tofu, 1 bunch of mint, 1 bunch of cilantro, 1 bag of shredded carrots, or you can shred them yourself, 2 red peppers, 1 cucumber, and a dipping sauce of your choice. We're using peanut sauce. You can also make a sauce yourself if you're feeling a little adventurous. Start by cutting the peppers and cucumber in thin strips. Now let's cut the tofu into thin rectangles. Strip your mint and cilantro from the stem. Now that your ingredients are prepared, it's time to assemble our rolls. To start, submerge a rice paper roll in very warm water, and then remove it and place it on your work surface. Now, it's as simple as layering your ingredients. I'm gonna start with my cilantro, then some carrots, cucumber, pepper, tofu, and then my mint. Traditionally, shrimp, pork, and rice noodles might also be used. Now, we're gonna roll it tightly and bring in the sides right before we get to the end. It's as simple as that. And I guarantee you, the more you do it, the better the presentation of your rolls will become. So have fun, experiment with your ingredients, and enjoy the sunnier weather while you're feasting on these delicious spring rolls.
To support Greater Lynn Senior Services and see more videos like these, please consider making a donation at the link below and subscribe to our channel.